Hello,
Well, there
Maritus.
you are.
Afternoon.
Well, thank you so much for coming despite a very short notice.
Always a pleasure joining you for an afternoon tea.
Pleasure's all mine. Have you heard?
What is this time?
Gina just got herself eliminated from 4Ps.
Oh, don't expect to be shocked. She had it coming her way when she didn't listen to our warning.
It's quite the dangerous game she is playing. I saw her playing Tong-Its with Tita Baby and Shirley just after the day the money was released.
Oh my god, and I saw her husband, Naldo, that the same day carrying 3 cases of red horse. 3 cases.
Outrageous.
And dead.
Yet here we are, not qualified they say.
Because of our auction?
Head tea.
Madam, sabi daw.
Manang, can you
Bagulat!
please-